In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Webflow, a fantastic tool for building custom websites visually. So, if you've ever wondered how to neatly organize your text with bullet points in Webflow's editor, this is the tutorial for you. Let's dive right in and go through the steps together. First off, head over to your preferred web browser and navigate to Webflow's homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Login button, typically located at the top right of the page. Clicking this will take you to the login screen. Enter your credentials to access your Webflow account. Upon logging in, you will find yourself on the Webflow dashboard. This is the heart of your Webflow experience, where all your projects are stored. Here, you'll need to select the project you want to work on by clicking directly on it. This action will open the specific project, bringing you to the main workspace where all your design magic happens. Once your project is open, look towards the toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Add Elements. This is where we can add all sorts of components to our page, including text, images, and lists. Now, in the search bar at the top of this panel, type the word List. This will filter through the elements and bring up the option to add a list. You'll notice a list element appears in the search results. Click on List. Doing so will add a placeholder list to your current page, complete with default bullet points. You can now drag this list to any area on your page where you want to display a set of bullet points. As an additional tip, once you've placed your list, you can easily customize the appearance of these bullet points by selecting the list on your page. Then, use the Style panel on the right to change fonts, sizes, and colors according to your design preference. Webflow offers a high degree of flexibility, letting you match the list style seamlessly with the rest of your website design. In just these few steps, you can add and customize bullet points for organizing text on your Webflow site. If at any point you're not satisfied with the placement or look, remember you can always select the list element and tweak it using the style tools available. And that's it. We've covered how to incorporate bullet points within your Webflow projects seamlessly. With this knowledge, you can now make your text content clear and visually engaging. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy designing!